Today I'm sharing a channeling from the Lost Mother, who I shared last time is Sophia consciousness. She's sharing about our ability to heal faster in this video. I feel like a lot of it is really straightforward and self-explanatory, so I'm not going to come back afterwards and explain what she's saying. If you have questions about it, feel free to comment below. She does mention at the end, there's one part that I did want to clarify. She does mention, like, at the end, bringing things through me, through others, through my partner, through my team. And what she's talking about is my mission group. Because as far as what I've been able to recognize and feel into, my mission group is pretty large. So that means that we share similar missions here on Earth to do certain tasks a certain way as sort of a group and a team. Not always physically as a team, like physically connected, but just in an interwoven way where we're all working towards the same goal. If you enjoy this channeling, let me know. Please comment below. And a reminder, I am having a free event tomorrow, Keys of Inanna and Ereshkigal, the unfolding of your return. And in this session, it's going to be a guided journey and going into the myth a little bit and my perspective. It's all about releasing false totems, false masks, which I mentioned in the channeling, and reclaiming your own power and how you want to define yourself and who you want to be. So if you're interested in that, I'll link it below, and I have a few other upcoming events that you may want to check out. Enjoy this channeling, and I'll see you next time. This is the Lost Mother. By now, if you're watching, this is who will primarily be speaking through her, how we will be sharing in the way of channeling in this fashion. As we speak through her, we share the frequency needed for you to see lost parts of yourself, to see the parts of yourself that have been buried under false pretenses, false energy, false darkness, that have been buried within your soul, within your being, within your body. We are sharing this now as we take on much healing for the collective. This is the time for you to embark on your own healing if you have not done so previously. Many people have taken on healing themselves in order to be able to heal through them more. You will find that as you progress in your journey, you will be guided to energies and frequencies that will reflect back to you what is still needed to release, to integrate, to know, to understand. As you journey into deeper parts of yourself, deeper parts of the earth, deeper parts of your own knowing, there will be more healing available at a rapid pace. Energy is moving more quickly. Time is moving faster. A rapid awakening has been unfolding, continues to unfold like a wave As this wave approaches you, if it has not already, you will heal faster, but not by ignoring parts of yourself. We want to make that clear. But the energy and the way that it is moving allows you to progress faster, allows you to integrate faster, allows you to come into a wholeness faster. The energy translating into the physical space more quickly. So as a wave of awakening has hit, a wave of healing can also transpire for you at different times. Do not forget your body in this process, your mind, your heart. Do not forget that it is the body, the vessel, through which you bring through all of your healing, all of your gifts, all of your knowings. Take time to breathe, to rest, to honor your wants and desires and your own needs, apart from your journey to evolve. Evolving up is not the main goal. It is evolving within, with how you express your soul. You do not need to focus on the healing. It will come to you, into your awareness, when it is needed. We are just allowing you to know what is possible now within the energy on earth. Rapid healing, rapid unfolding, awakening, rapid knowing of self. You do not need to journey through practices to heal if you do not feel called to. Do not fixate on the healing. We feel that as you hear this message, you may be understanding it as being tasked to heal. That is not what we want to share. We are sharing the knowing that what you are drawn to naturally, what is in your awareness, is what you should follow. Do not obsess on improving yourself, on moving upward. Your happiness, your joy, your knowing is what you keep in your present moment, in your awareness and actions as you move forward. We are simply sharing that you may experience healing more quickly, sometimes through modalities you didn't even realize were modalities, through activities and events that you did not expect to heal anything, through dreams. Sometimes you will not have to seek out anything. You just allow it to unfold in your knowing. You stay in your body, in your present moment. You release anything that does not feel true to you any longer. Release beliefs that do not align with you any longer, totems, masks. Allow them to go. And if you do not, they may show themselves to you more fully so you understand how out of alignment they are. You do not need to focus upward. If it gives you comfort, if it resonates, if it brings you joy to focus upward, we understand it is a step of unlocking, of unfolding. But you must stay present in the rhythms of the earth, your mother, your home, that allows you to experience what your soul came here to experience. We offer this to you in many ways. These opportunities to find yourself whole again, to find the earth whole again. As you experience different energy, time, space in your perceptions, allow yourself to return to your body, to your current moment. Take a breath, a walk, sing, dance. Pull your energy back to yourself, back to joy, back to a oneness within yourself. And see what wants to be created through you, expressed through you now. You are joy in many ways, even when you do not feel it. There's much joy able to be expressed through a human vessel, to be able to be experienced through a human vessel. Light, love, all within you at all times. Find those pieces of you in a way that feels right to you. Heal through joy, light, and love. Through experiences that allow you to take the time to find yourself in your fullness, in your being, lighting you up, lighting the way to your home, to your soul. Remembering back to self, back to all. This is what you can do now, more easily, more quickly. Rest well, knowing that if you need more healing, more light, you can experience it in many different ways. Allow yourself to receive, to follow your own nudges, your own knowings, your own being. It will not lead you astray. We will be bringing through these frequencies needed to remember back to yourself in different ways. to awaken different parts of yourself. Watch, and we will show you what we know, what we can, to help you understand all parts of yourself, all parts of what has transpired on earth, if that is what you need. We will show you different ways of understanding your own self through song, through stories, through maps to different places where time flows and remembers differently. Ask, which one do you need? The song, the story, the place, yourself. It can come in all ways. Through us, this vessel, her partners and team that have also chosen to do this work in different ways. We are laying the foundation for more to come through more swiftly as contracts on the earth are opening, widening,